My name is Daryl Evans, and I am the Custodial Maintenance Supervisor for RISD. In the Roswell schools, we have realized how important disinfecting and cleaning is at this point in time. We've been utilizing products such as Husky for several years, and it's well documented to kill germs and disinfect school facilities. We use this for everything from floors to ceilings and has been effective in classrooms, bathrooms, and everything in between. But we use a foaming Q&A to clean and disinfect. We also put that in a spray bottle and dilute it to clean our water fountains so it knocks out scale plus it cleans and disinfects. The other product we use is Husky. We use this in our mop waters, wiping down doorknobs, walls, all surfaces is what we use this stuff for. We can dilute it also, put it in a spray bottle so the teachers can have it to disinfect stuff in their rooms. The other stuff we use is the hand sanitizers, which are in all of the classrooms. This is the machine that we use to clean the bathrooms. It's called a Kivac. The high schools have up to 4 or 5, but every school has at least one of these. We'll take this wand and we'll put a mist of Q&A mixed with water on all surfaces, and then we'll go in there with this brush. We'll brush all of the floors, and then he'll come back, he'll rinse it, and then he'll vacuum everything up. The nice thing about this piece of equipment is even though we're killing all the germs, just like a bucket and bleach would do, we're also vacuuming them back up. So we're not doing any cross-contaminating anywhere. Once we use this machine in this bathroom, all the wastewater is put into a holding tank, and then we just get rid of it in one of the toilets or a mop sink or something. But there's no cross-contamination on anything as long as we use this machine the way we've been trained to use it. The nice thing about the Husky is we're not getting all the fumes and the stuff like we do on Clorox that bothers some people. This just has a real light, kind of a mint, peppermint scent, and it doesn't bother people like some of the Clorox stuff does. This is our Unger mop system, and we use this to clean walls in classrooms and bathrooms. So you notice that there's a green pad, that's for halls, classrooms, and then the red pad is for nothing but bathrooms. That way we're not cross-contaminating. If we're using the mop in the hall, it's more for spot mopping. And we have at least one of these at every school, and you can see once it's done, it's just as dry as when you started, so we don't have any problem with people slipping and falling.